Hello everybody, today I'm going to teach you how to add and subtract decimals. So we have a problem right here and I'm going to put it in working form first. So we have 7.21 plus 11.6, and what we're going to do is we're going to move this 11.6 and we're going to line up the decimals, and then we're going to add. We're going to add a 0 right there. 1 plus 0 is 1, 2 plus 6 is 8. There's our decimal. 7 plus 1 is 8, and 0 plus 1 is 1. So our answer is 18.81. Our next example problem is 0.0679 plus 3.75. You see how I lined up the decimals right there? And because there's no spots here, I'm going to add zeros, and then I'm going to add like normal. 9 plus 0 is 9, 7 plus 0 is 7, 6 plus 5 is 1, carry the 1, 1 plus 7 is 8, add the 0, 3.8179. Okay, next I'm going to show you how to subtract. So we have a problem right here, and it currently is not in working form, so we're going to put it in working form. So we're going to move that 6.73, and I'm going to line it up just like that. Add my minus sign. Now there's no 0 next to the 3, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the 0, and I'm going to subtract. 8 minus 0 is 8. I can't do 0 minus 3, so I'm going to make it a 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. Because I borrowed, I'm going to make that a 4. But now I can't subtract 4 from 7, so I'm going to make that a 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. Add my decimal. I can't do 0, so I'm going to make that a 9. 9 minus 6 is 3. And because I borrowed, that becomes a 0. So my answer is 3.778. My next problem that I'm going to show you is 7, the whole number, minus 0.6. Right, now, there is no decimal next to the 7, but we know that 7 is a whole number, so I can add a decimal and a 0 so that all the place values line up. Now, I can't do 0 minus 6, so I'm going to make that a 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. I borrowed, so I need to make that a 6. And 6 minus 0 is 6. I add my decimal. So my answer is 6.4. There you have it. That's how you add and subtract decimal points. And I just want to show you one more time that when we add or subtract decimals, we line up the decimal points.